Top 10 largest oil refineries in the world.
September we met.
The Jamnagar refinery is a private sector crude oil refinery owned by Reliance Industries Limited in Jamnagar, Gujarat, India. The refinery was commissioned on 14 July 1999 with an installed capacity of 668,000 barrels per day. It is currently the largest refinery in the world. The current capacity of Jamnagar refinery is 12,40,000 barrels per day. The Paraguay Refinery Complex is a crude oil refinery complex in Venezuela. It is considered the world's second largest refinery complex just after Jamnagar Refinery. The Paraguay Refinery Complex was created by the fusion of Amio Refinery. The Paraguay Refinery Complex has capacity of 9,40,000 barrels per day. Third refinery is SK Energy Ulsan Refinery. It is located in Ulsan, South Korea. It has capacity of 8,50,000 barrels per day. The Ruwais Refinery, located in Al Ruwais, Abu Dhabi, and owned by the Takrir, the refining arm of Indian Ocean, is the largest oil refinery in the UAE. The Ruwais Refinery was initially commissioned in 1981 with a capacity of 1,20,000 barrels per day, then expanded. Fifth refinery is Yeosu Refinery GS Caltex, located in Yeosu, South Jeolla, South Korea. It has capacity of 7,30,000 barrels per day. GS Caltex is a South Korean oil refiner. The company changed its name from LG Caltex Oil Corporation to GS Caltex Corporation on January 27, 2006. Sixth refinery is Onsan Refinery, Yes Oil. It is located in Ulsan, South Korea. It has the capacity of 6,69,000 barrels per day. Yes Oil Corporation is a petroleum and refinery company headquartered in Seoul, South Korea. It was established in 1976 by old name Korea Iran Petroleum Company. It produces petroleum, petrochemical, and lubricant products. Seventh refinery is Jurong Island Refinery, ExxonMobil, located in Jurong Island, Singapore. It has capacity of 6,05,000 barrels per day. ExxonMobil Corporation, doing business as ExxonMobil, is an American multinational oil and gas corporation headquartered in Irving, Texas. It is the largest direct descendant of John D. Rockefeller's Standard Oil and was formed on November 30, 1999 by the merger of Exxon. Eighth refinery is Port Arthur Refinery, Saudi Aramco. It is located in Port Arthur, Texas, United States. It has the capacity of 6,35,000 barrels per day. Port Arthur Refinery means the Motiva Refinery is an oil refinery located in Port Arthur, Texas. It is the largest oil refinery in North America. Ninth refinery is Galveston Bay Refinery, Marathon Petroleum. It is located in Texas City, Texas, United States. It has the capacity of 585,000 barrels per day. Marathon Petroleum Corporation is an American petroleum refining, marketing and transformation company headquartered in Findlay, Ohio. The company was a wholly owned subsidiary of Marathon Oil until a corporate spin-off in 2011. 10th refinery is Baytown Refinery, ExxonMobil. It is located in Baytown, Texas, United States. It has the capacity of 560,500 barrels per day. On November 30, 1999, by the merger of Exxon and Mobil, ExxonMobil's primary brands are Mobil, Esso, and ExxonMobil Chemical. ExxonMobil is incorporated in Texas.
I smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed. Couldn't leave me alone.